Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must have white eyes equipped and at least 1/4 of the ninja time gauge ready. Once done, assign white eyes to a quick-to-access slot so you can trigger it mid-combat without menu delays. Activate ninja time immediately after equipping to lock time and gain vision bonuses. Doing so early maximizes effect. Make sure to follow with a short cooldown attack, so you exploit the slow time window and stack damage while enemies move at a fraction of normal speed. Once ninja time is engaged, you must prioritize precision. Target weak points and chain targeted strikes because white eyes increases critical hit registration. While time is slowed, use movement cancels and dashes to reposition for multi-angle flanks. This increases hit counts per activation. Also keep an eye on stamina and the remaining ninja time meter so you can decide whether to extend combos or conserve resources. If you run low, swap to a quick finisher to capitalize on residual slow frames before the effect ends. As ninja time winds down, commit to a high damage finisher because last frames often deliver guaranteed criticals when white eyes is active. Once the effect ends, immediately restore orbs and refill the ninja time gauge to be ready for the next engagement. Efficient resource cycling sustains pressure. If things go wrong, for example, white eyes doesn't trigger, check bindings, confirm item equip slot, and verify cooldowns. Reassign the item to a different slot if activation input conflicts are causing missed casts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.